All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about what you need to install a Tesla charger at home. 1. 1. Tesla wall connector. First up, you'll need the Tesla wall connector, which is the official home charging station designed for Tesla vehicles. This device ensures faster and more efficient charging compared to the standard mobile connector. 2. Electrical panel. To install the wall connector, your home needs an adequate electrical panel. Make sure your home's electrical panel has enough capacity to handle the additional load of charging your Tesla. A licensed electrician will evaluate and upgrade the panel if necessary. 3. Dedicated circuit. The wall connector will need a dedicated circuit, meaning it should have its own circuit breaker. This ensures safety and prevents any overload that could disrupt the rest of your home's electrical system. Number 4. Proper wiring. The electrician will need to run the correct gauge wiring from the electrical panel to the charging location. The wiring size will depend on the charger's power requirements and the distance from the panel. 5. Permits. Depending on where you live, you might need to get an electrical permit before installation. The electrician you hire will know if this is required and will help with the necessary paperwork. 6. Location. You'll need to choose a convenient installation location for your wall connector. Typically, it's installed in a garage or carport where your Tesla will be parked and charged. Once the installation is complete, you'll have a fast and reliable charging solution right at home. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.